starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we've got our first order right away. This is McDonald's going about 3 miles.
Hey, can I have you?
I've got a DoorDash pickup.
Give me 1 second. Number?
0E2.
Give me 1 second. Can you repeat one more time, please?
0E2.
We have your order. You can pull forward.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The last three?
0E2.
Thank you.
Thank you. Why was there such a big tip on that order? You ordered like one meal. There's like a $10 tip on that. Why do I feel like that was a mistake? And they meant to tip $1. I don't know. Either way, super generous. Total ended up being $14 for that. And we just got the next order. This is Subway going 7.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $9 and change. Been sitting here for some time, but finally got the next order. This is Seize the Bagel going 8 miles.
What's the name on the order?
Macy.
What was it?
Macy, it's this one over here. Total for that one was like $15. Next up, we've got a Muchas Gracias going 7 miles. Oh, this one's probably not going to be worth it. It's only one item. I guess there's a little section to write special notes, and in all caps it says 2 green sauces and 2 red sauces. No please, no thanks, no nothing. Just asking for more sauce. Not even asking, demanding more sauce. Thank you. Yeah, who would have thought? No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks going 3.5 miles.
Got you right here.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
Total for that one was $8. Pretty good. Next order up, we've got a Kitchen Table Cafe going 4.5 miles.
Alex is sick. They said they're going to work on the first 2 tickets.
Except for Ronald.
Say any treat. You're all good to go.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. Not really sure why that one took so long. It's not even busy in there. Not yet, at least. Hand it to me. Oh, love that. Total for that was $11. Very nice. And next order, we've got a Burgerville going 3.5 miles. Just give me an add-on order going an extra 2 miles.
Have a great day.
Numbers and building letters are hard to see, hidden behind bushes and trees. That's what I love to read. Oof. One of those is a no tipper. Total ended up being $11 and change. Question is, who was it? Was it the one where they lived in an apartment complex where somebody got their rear window busted? Or was it the one that lived just by the river in a $1 million home? Just got the next order. This is nectar juice bar going 3.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Oh, of course it's upstairs. Why is it always upstairs? Oh, pretty good tip on that one though. Total ended up being $11. Next up, we've got a voodoo donut going 8 miles.
What's up? Here you go, man. You have a great rest of your day.
You too, thank you. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $7. Horrible. Next up, we've got a Caesar bagel going 4.5 miles. This one's probably gonna be a wait because I just got it and we are here.
Michael.
Yeah.
See, if I think all the online orders are still working on all this. Hello.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Yeah, for Michael.
Michael S.
Is it Abby?
Okay, that was like a 30-minute wait. Bro. Total for that was $13. I would say not worth it because that was super annoying. Just got the next order. This is a Taco Bell going 2 miles.
Alright, here's everything for that order.
Thank you.
I'll circle back.
Gotcha. No tip on that one, of course. Total was like $6. Current time is 10:32. Total, we are at 117. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.